Very good, my dear. Keep closing your eyes and being aware of your breath. Meditation is stopping all connections with the outside world to go completely inside. There is nothing outside. You go completely inside and connect with yourself. Meditation is the only way to help you realize yourself, and breathing is the only way to take you deep, deep into meditation. Meditation means no chanting, no mantras, no images of any particular teacher. There is only breath, only your own breath. As the mind follows the breath, gradually the breath will become shorter and smoother. The mind gradually calms down and there are no more thoughts. You receive the great cosmic energy that heals all diseases in the body, bringing you health, peace, and happiness. Follow your breath. Let it be gentle and in sync with your own breath. My dear, the last 5-10 minutes, please do not open your eyes. Be yourself. Connect with yourself. Experience and accept everything that happens to you. Enjoy meditation. Enjoy yourself. Last 1 minute, please do not open your eyes. Meditation is simple and easy. Meditation is for everyone and for the whole society. Everyone should meditate. Children over 5 years old can meditate. Practice meditation regularly every day. Meditation is the best gift you can give yourself. You are health, peace, sharing, compassion, full of love and happiness. 10-9-8-7-6-5-4-3-2-1-10. Please don't open your eyes. Slowly remove your hands and touch your fingers to your eyes for a few seconds. Dear teachers and friends, we will meditate together for 30 minutes. Sit comfortably, cross your legs, interlace your fingers, gently close your eyes, and begin to follow your own breath. Meditation means observing the breath. Know clearly the breath going in and out through the nostrils. Be completely aware of the present moment with the gentle rhythm of the breath. You are here, right now, with the energy of the breath. No past, no future, no thoughts at all, and you are at peace with yourself. There are 3 rules of the science of meditation. The first rule: when you follow your breath, gradually your mind will become peaceful, calm, clear, and without any thoughts. You do nothing. Your body is quiet and comfortable. Your mind is calm and empty. You do not need to control your breath. You do not need to inhale deeply or sigh. Let the breath come in and out naturally, and you enjoy this gentle, light, simple, and energetic melody of breathing. If thoughts come, stop thinking and return to your breath. Do not follow your thoughts, follow your breath. Observe the breath, enjoy the breath, receive the energy of the breath. Be with the breath, be one with the breath. Be the breath, just the breath, just the breath, the breath, the breath, the breath. My dear, keep your eyes closed until everything settles down. Still, silent, peaceful, nothing left. Let the breath wash away all the rubbish in the mind. Go with the breath into a deep, deeper state of meditation. The second law of meditation: when the mind begins to become almost empty, a great source of cosmic energy will flow into the body from the top of the head. The cosmic energy will heal all physical illnesses and mental pain, Receive as much cosmic energy as possible, as much energy as possible. The universe, you are more healthy, wise, peaceful, and more connected to yourself. And continue to observe the breath. Observe the breath, breath, breath. Dear friend, experiencing meditation, discovering yourself, every spiritual experience is true. The third law of meditation. When the cosmic energy fills the light body, the result is that the inner senses are opened, the third eye is activated. You will experience the great wisdom of the infinite universe. If there is any experience of sound, light, energy, frequency, message, meeting the masters, or simply the emptiness of awakening, you forget the breath and continue to observe, always observe, follow these miraculous experiences. Don't stop. Keep meditating, keep experiencing, keep receiving the advanced wisdom of the universe on the path to finding yourself, the path to enlightenment.